Hello, y'all. Well, today we are transplanting our peas. Now, James is taking them out of there. We got one more left there. But look how everything's coming up real nice. Now, he's got that many out so far. And what we're going to do, we're going to meet you out back in the garden. And we're going to get this growing season going. Look at that. That is a beautiful root system. Hello, Mr. James.
Hello.
Okay, I want to show y'all something. We've got our leaves coming on the rose bushes. I cannot wait to see how they do this year. All right, we're going over there. Mr. James is sitting at my chair. Definitely not able to do anything in the garden yet, but that's okay. Mr. James has done a wonderful job preparing these beds and making this new walkway. That's going to be so nice to be able to get in there to this vegetable bed. And our garlic's doing good.
Okay, get at it.
Yeah, okay. I'm making it slowly over here. So this year, we're gonna put the peas over here with the garlic and see how that does.
Chives.
Or I mean the chives, I'm sorry. All right, now he's gonna dig this up, loosen it up a little bit. Not that it's not already loose. I mean, it is. Look how fluffy that soil is. It is beautiful. Now we have been adding rabbit droppings to this all winter long. So that should be beautiful. And he's got the first one in. All right, he's got the second set in. We've got all them to put in. Now, I don't think our garden's gonna be as big as what it was last year, but you never know. You never know what I want to put in the garden.
Ain't that the truth? Anyway. I heard nothing to step in it. It's loose enough.
Yes, it is. I think the secret to a great garden is all in the soil. Make it nice and fluffy, and it's real nice.
I was gonna say all these little tracks you see.
Uh-huh.
Cooper, he come out and played.
Oh, Cooper was, well, he won't be able to play in here no more.
Yeah.
I'm surprised he got in the,
I know, he did. He just
Garden bed.
wanted to run and play. So I let him. I mean, he didn't run through the garlic. That's the only one he didn't go through.
right. Well, he knew we had something planted in there, so.
Let's see. Mhm. 4, 5, 6.
Now, Mr. James, you would, if you've got more plants there than you've got holes already, you can plant some like in between.
I'm only gonna have
There.
2 extras.
So that's not bad. I think we did it, started the perfect amount of seeds this time. Oh. Y'all have to forgive my moans and groans. It's still hard for me to get up and down.
That rain tonight will do these good.
Yes, it's supposed to rain again tonight, so that will water these in, so we won't have to water at all.
And look at that. Can't that short of time, but look at that root ball.
Oh yeah, it's beautiful. Nice, thick, healthy roots. Okay, he's working on the last few. I think he's got 2 more after this one.
Yep, one more.
One more?
Yep.
Well, I think we did that a pretty
I'll
good
put it right
job.
there.
Now what he's doing, anywhere he stepped in the garden bed, he's going through and refluffing it. Now you can see the eggshells we put in here through the winter. All that is great for the garden. Now here in the chive bed, he's gonna go in and remove all this dead stuff that was there, but look at the new growth. We're gonna have plenty of chives this year.
Oh yeah.
I like when they bloom. So good. Now what else? We've got a few weeds in here and there's a little bit of grass, so he'll have to remove that. But as light and fluffy as this soil is, that'll be a breeze. They come out no problem at all. See? Real easy.
There's your peas, Bubba.
All right, he's got all the peas in. The whole line's done. And they will grow like a champ. See how easy that grass comes out of there?
Now this is chives.
Yes, that's chives. And when he pulls this, he tries to get root ball and all. Good job, Mr. James.
There's a little bit of dirt, but that's okay. Do it once and don't have to do it again later.
Right.
A big root ball here.
Yeah. But you're getting it all, so
Yeah.
that's great.
Put the chives back.
All right, y'all. We will be back as soon as he gets this done, and I'll show you how it looks. All right, y'all. Well, that's going to do it for this video. We wanted to share putting in our peas that we started in the house. All right.
And
Well-
the grass side don't even go to waste.
The what?
The grass side we got out.
Right.
It goes in little holes here, there, and yonder.
That's true in the yard. All right, y'all. Well, if you're not subscribed to Pennington's Garden Life, come on over and subscribe. We're good people. Have a blessed day.